Hi guys, let's welcome channel. Today's topic is square roots and cube roots. We will discuss about 5 problems about based on square roots and cube roots. The first problem is root x divided by root 441 is equal to 0.02. Root x divided by root 441 is also written as root x divided by root 441 equals to 0.02. 0.02 is also written as 2 by 100. That is root x divided by 441 is equals to 21 is equals to 0.02. Root x is equals to 21 will go other side, divided will go other side means multiply. So 0.02 into 21 equals to root x is equals to 2 by 100 into 21. 21 into 2 equals to 2 4 42 divided by 100 is equals to root x. Now we have to find the value of x. So x is equals to 42 by 100. Root will go other side means it will become square. That is 42 square is 42 into 42 is equals to 2 2 4 2 4 8 4 2 8 4 4 16. That is 4 8 8 16 1 7 6 4 divided by 100 square is 100 square is this is written as 0.1764. Now second question. I will read the question of second. That is root 1 plus 25 by 144 is equal to x by 12. We have to find the value of x. That is we want to add 144 into 1 plus 25 into 1 is 25 divided by 144 is equals to x by 12. That is root 144 into 1 plus 25 is 144 25. I want to add it. 169 by 144 is equals to x by 12. Now root 169, this is in the form of root a by b is equals to root a by root b. Now root 169 divided by root 144 is equals to x by 12. Now root 169 is 13 by root 144 is 12. Now x by 12. Now 12 is cancelled. X is equals to 30. In this question the value of x is equals to 30. Now third question. This is very important in square roots and cube roots. Root of 10 plus root of 25 plus root of 108 plus root of 154 plus root of 225. This type of problems want to do by step. Like root of 125, this answer we want to add it with 154 and again all. Now root of 10 plus root of 25 plus root of 108 plus root of 154 plus root of 225. The root of 225 is 15. Now want to add 154 plus 15. 154 plus 15 is 169. Root of 10 plus root of 25 plus root of 108 plus root of 154 plus 15 is 169. Now root of 10 plus root of 25 plus root of 108 plus root 169 is 13. Now want to add 108 plus 13. That is 108 plus 13 is 121. Now root of 10 plus root of 25 plus root of 121. Now root of 10 plus root of 25 plus root 121 is 11. Now want to add 25 plus 11 is 36. Now root 36. Now root 10 plus root 36 is 6. Now root 10 plus 6 is 16. Now root 16 is 4. The final answer of this question is 4. Fourth question. I will read the question of fourth, that is root 0.49 divided by 0.25 into root 0.81 by 0.36. All know that root 49 is equals to 7 and 0.49 is written in 0. So root 0.49 is 0.7 by divided by 0.25 into, we all know that root 81 is equals to 9, but 0.81 is also known as 0.9. 0.9. Root 0.81 is 0.9 divided by 0.36. We all know that 0.7 is also written in 7 by 10 divided by 0.25 is also written in 25 by 100 into 0.9 is written in 9 by 10 divided by 0.36 is written in 36 by 100. Now 7 by 10 into 100 by 25, because division will go up means into and reciprocal will come into 9 by 10 into 36 by 100 will go other side, means 100 by 36 will come because reciprocal. Now 0 get cancelled, 0 cancel. Now 7 into 10 into 10 into 9 by 25 into 36. Now 9 ones 9 4. Now 7 into 10 into 10 is 700 by 25 into 4 is 100. 0 will cancel. The answer is 7. Now fifth problem. I will read the question of fifth problem, that is cube root of 8 divided by root 16 divided by root 100 divided by root 49 into cube root of 125. We all know that cube root of 8 is equals to 2, because 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. Now know that root 16 is equals to 4, because 4 into 4 is equals to 16. Here 4 divided by, we know that root 100 is 10 by root 49 is 7 into, we know that cube root of 125 is 5. Now 2 by 4 into division means we want to convert into and we want to reciprocal. 10 by 7 is, what is the reciprocal of 10 by 7? It is 7 by 10 into 5. 5 ones, 5 twos, 2 will be cancelled. The answer is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 also written in mixed fraction, that is 4 ones, 4. Mixed fraction is 1 3 by